Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to become an official creator in Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, register to Likee if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have 5 options. We have as you can see, we have your profile and everything about your profile. We have the messages. We have the plus button where you can go and create your own content and put your own content. We have the explore, and at the end we have the for you page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and become an official creator in Likee. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. Of course, you firstly have to create your account, create a unique name that everybody will notice and of course recall when they hear that name. Of course, you have to click on the plus button in the main screen. As you can see, you have the black button. So you have the black button is black and white. You need to click on it, put videos there, and you will become a creator. By putting videos, you'll get more followers, you'll get more likes, and you will become a creator and influencer like that. So it is pretty easy. Just go and follow those steps and be, of course, creative. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.